Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open Roblox and hop straight into the Build It map. Don't stall. Once inside, approach the vendor or UI store that sells backpacks and check the price and requirements. If you lack currency, use the in-game grind or Robux purchase to fund the buy. You must meet level or tool prerequisites to unlock the item. Make sure your inventory has an open slot before buying, because buying with a full bag will prevent the item from appearing. You collect materials by harvesting areas, trading, or buying from NPCs. Follow the exact recipe shown in the backpack tooltip. Once done, head to the crafting station or open the inventory, combine UI and place parts in the correct slots, then click Craft. If the backpack supports upgrades, add upgrade parts or select the upgrade button and supply extra currency. This increases capacity or adds pockets. Make sure crafting completes fully. Interrupting the process can consume parts. Without producing, you open your inventory and equip the backpack to an available equipment slot so it becomes active immediately. Once equipped, pick up several items to confirm the new capacity or features work as expected, and make sure any hotkey bindings are set. If the backpack doesn't appear, first check crafting or purchase logs for a failed transaction, then verify inventory filters or storage limits. If issues persist, relog, restore from the vendor if possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.